In this video, we are going to talk about whether you can get Cash App in Canada or not. Unfortunately, Cash App is not officially available in Canada at this time. However, there are some workarounds you can try if you still want to access it. To create a Cash App account, you must have a United States or United Kingdom phone number. You can either use a friend or family member's number or set up virtual US number through certain apps or services. Install a VPN app on your mobile device. You can search for free VPNs in your App Store or Google Play Store. Choose a reliable free VPN to save costs, although there are also paid options if you prefer. Now, open the VPN app and connect to a United States server. This will make it appear as if you are browsing from within the US. Now, download Cash App from your App Store. Open the app and start the sign up process. When prompted, enter the US or UK phone number you obtained earlier. Verify the phone number using the code you receive. After verifying, you can continue setting up your account and start using Cash App. There are some important things to do. Always turn on your VPN and connect to the US whenever you want to use Cash App. This method is unofficial and your account could be flagged or banned later. It's not a guaranteed permanent solution, so proceed with caution. And that's how you can try to get Cash App working in Canada. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.